everybody. What's happening?
We're here at CGC. Drifting. We're drifting.
Everybody, come on, look at the camera. Something is gonna happen today. Put your cell phones down. Oh, Dr. Drift is coming out. He's rolling some boat. Dr. Drift is halfway. Oh, looks like a plan. Guys, have you seen this? Only here in the Philippines. Guys, thank you so much, everybody. What's happening?
Nakakatakot na lapitan po ito.
Wala ba tayong mas lalakas sa hiyawan?
Woo!
He's riding the horse! Pops and bangs!
Nakakatakot lumapit eh. Ang daming tao.
Guys, thank you so much. Sa lahat, dalawang host. Sa lahat na nag-request, maraming salamat everybody. Guys, eto na! For the first time, you're all experiencing not only one, but with a super powerful rap artist in the Philippines. Trained by Orange Capital and soon competing in the Philippines. Bakit walang maingay ngayong gabi? Parang walang pagmamahal. Sumigaw for Flow G. Oh, we have a plan.
Nandito po muna kami sa labas. Maraming mga mabibilan dito. Ang masama, wala po kaming cash. Di ba kami nakapag-video?
Head northeast.
Sana tumatanggap sila ng Gcash dito. Dito kami sa Hiraya. Sa CGC. Hiraya. Daming tao dito. Ano? Hahanap kami ng food. Authentic Ilocos ng Canada. Canada. Photo Beats. Yan, daming kainan dito.